In this tutorial, I will show you Puppet Warp tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. You can access Puppet Warp tool from this here. This is free transform tool and this is Puppet Warp tool. You need to select first. You can see that the image, the zebra image I have collected from Pixabay is not selected yet. So I need to select it either from the selection tool, or you can hold down Ctrl and then select it. So that Puppet Warp tool begin to work. So you can see here is Puppet Warp tool created few points for us to manipulate this shape. You can delete this shape, either backspace or delete button from the keyboard. I am creating backspace, so this was gone. I am pressing delete, this was gone. So these are the point. I want to more straight the zebra head, so I am clicking here. If you click and here you can see the cursor point, warp tool cursor point plus sign appeared, and you clicking here, I am clicking here. So that means when I am creating the point, I do not touch it, so that after that part it will not affect anything what I do here. So I am clicking his head. So after that I am first of all clicking here. I am clicking here and I want to push its head in the upper part. So after doing this, I am clicking here and I am making its head to the lower side. Now the zebra head is straight than before using this Puppet Warp tool. So I am accessing Puppet Warp tool, hold down Ctrl and clicking in the shape, and this is the Puppet Warp tool. You can also, I'd like to show you that here is the rotation cursor appeared. So if you want to rotate the angle of the shape, you can also do this from here. You can rotate the shape as per your need. So in this way you can easily manipulate shape inside Illustrator using Puppet Warp tool. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like so, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.